In today's video, I want to show you how and why we give iron shot to piglets on my farm, and most importantly, how we do it safely. Iron shots are very important for piglets, especially within the first 3 to 7 days of their life. So on my farm, we give iron shots on the 4th day, and I will explain why. By day 4, the piglets that are strong enough to survive are already clear. This helps us to avoid wasting medication on piglets that may not make it. Farming is not just about care, it's also about being strategic and economical as well. So before treating piglets, safety comes first to me on the farm. Pig mothers can become very aggressive and overly protective, especially when they see you touching their piglets. So the first thing we do is to isolate the sow from the piglets. That's why in this video, you will see me move the sow into another room so I can treat the piglets calmly and safely without rushing or risking any attack from the mother. On our farm, each piglet receives 1.5 ml of iron, given intramuscularly, meaning directly into the muscles, and we use the 2cc syringe. Any syringe can work anyway, but be careful. Big needles can leave open wounds if not handled properly, and this exposes young piglets to early infections. So always use a small, sharp needle and be gentle with the piglets. There's also a simple trick to avoid contamination of the medication you're using. Here's something very simple but important many people ignore on their farms. When I open a new syringe, I use it once with a needle attached to draw iron from the bottle. After the first draw, I remove the needle and use only the barrel to draw the medicine. And this is why, to avoid contaminating the remaining iron in the bottle. Depending on the number of piglets, I usually prepare several syringes in advance, each already measured. This helps me work faster and also reduce stress on the piglets. You know, when you are in their presence and their mother is not there, they will start to get scared and be running everywhere. And that is a bit of stress you are causing them. So with a number of syringes already in place to administer, it helps me to work faster and leave their presence, and then they will be able to have their mother back in their midst. After giving the iron shot, I mark each treated piglet. I use something we call dirty oil. That means oil that has been used in a vehicle and discarded. I use that one to mark their backs, and that makes it very clear to see. I mark them on the upper or the dorsal area or top of their back. Initially, I used to mark the side, but I noticed a problem with this. The piglets rubbed against each other. Treated ones got treated again. Untreated ones were missed. You understand? That is why this time around I always mark on the dorsal part. So marking on the top of the back solved that confusion completely. Best time for you to give iron shot. I always give iron shots in the morning. This allows me to monitor their behavior throughout the day. If any piglet reacts abnormally, I can immediately act to solve it. Iron shots are extremely very important, if you must know, especially when piglets live on bare cemented floors. After iron shot is given, piglets become more active, they suckle better, blood circulation improves, and you know when circulation is in motion like that, it carries the nutrients that they take from the mother into the system, and that helps them with rapid growth. So that means if you are not giving iron, your piglets will go the opposite of what I've just discussed with you, and growth will also suffer subsequently. That's why we do give iron to piglets. It's not a luxury. You need to give it to them. They need it. So skipping iron is not an option if you want strong and then fast growing piglets, especially if you want to wean them on time. So the final word here is that iron shots are simple, but how you give them matters most. Be calm, be clean, be observant also, and always put safety first for yourself, the sows, and then the piglets. I know this video has already helped you in some way. That is why you need to like it and then subscribe to follow for more.